disc and seat. For valves having a bonnet, the disc is the third primary principal pressure boundary. The disc provides the capability for permitting and prohibiting fluid flow. With the disc closed, full system pressure is applied across the disc if the outlet side is depressurized. For this reason, the disc is a pressure retaining part. Discs are typically forged and, in some designs, hard surfaced to provide good wear characteristics. A fine surface finish of the seating area of a disc is necessary for good sealing when the valve is closed. Most valves are named in part according to the design of their discs. The seat or seal rings provide the seating surface for the disc. In some designs, the body is machined to serve as the seating surface and seal rings are not used. In other designs, forged seal rings are threaded or welded to the body to provide the seating surface. To improve the wear resistance of the seal rings, the surface is often hard-faced by welding and then machining the contact surface of the seal ring. A fine surface finish of the seating area is necessary for good sealing when the valve is closed. Seal rings are not usually considered pressure boundary parts because the body has sufficient wall thickness to withstand the design pressure without relying upon the thickness of the seal rings. So we can see here that the disc for some types of valves is a pressure retaining part, and that means that when the valve is closed, the side that is exposed to the system pressure is a pressure retaining part or forms part of the pressure boundary. So we said before that the pressure boundary includes the bonnet and the body, and it can also include the disc. One important thing to realize here as well is that the disc itself needs to be strong, or as strong as the body and the bonnet, but it is the seating area that is our main point of interest. And in order for the valve to seat correctly, the disc needs to be machined so that it has a flat surface which can be used to then press against the valve seat. And it is for this reason that they will normally machine the disc and the seat, and they'll try to make the disc or the seat of a relatively hard, erosion-resistant material so that there is no damage to the disc or the seat in the seating area, and that means that there will be no leakage, or it will reduce the likelihood of leakage. If we have leakage from the pressure side to the non-pressurized side, and that means through the disc or a gap between the disc and the seat, this is actually referred to as passing, and we will say the valve is passing. This is a problem because it means we can no longer isolate systems completely, and the valve will either need to be repaired or replaced.